Hello everyone. So in today's video, we will learn about solve percentage problems without converting in decimals or fractions. So as a math professor, I get this super question all the time. How I can convert percentage to decimals or fraction? I confused. I don't know how to do it. I forgot. So how do I solve this percentage problem without converting in decimals or fractions? So I'll show you a couple keyword and just fill it up in table and get your answer. Stay up to end. You will see so many different ways, like so many different things you can do with this. Okay, so let's see first one here. It says 8 is what percent of 16? So first thing, let's talk about keyword, right? What is our keyword here? Is, of, and percent. These three things we have keyword. So whenever we have percentage problem, we will recognize what is pi, what is percent in total, or you can say whole. All right, so we can see what is pi, how we can recognize, right? So that's the keyword is. Right before is, whatever we have, that is your pi. So we can see pi is 8. Right after of, right, whatever number, that is your total, entire thing for that problem. That is 100%, okay? Total, that means it's 100%. In percent, that's word, or you will get this percentage symbol. So here we have question, right? What percent? Whatever we have question, unknown, we can let variable x. So let's fill it up in this table and see how it will work. So we can make a table like part. See, I gave you keyword also here. So we will not forget whatever number which is part, we can write right here. It's 8. All right. Total is 16. In total, that means what? What percentage? Which is 100%. In 8, we are looking for what percent is. So we can write X. Now what we can do here is we can just do butterfly method, or you can say cross multiplication. Look at this. Okay. In other side, you can do this. So whatever comes together, that's what you multiply. 8 and 10. Those numbers you multiply. And here you have x and 16. So we can make equation here. 16 times x is 16x, right? 16x equal. 8 times 100 is 800. Or you can write 8 times 100. Now we can just divide by 16. We have to solve this equation. Now we can simplify. I know 8 and 16, right? Also, we know 16 times 5 is 80. So it will be 50. Now we can see that is 8 is 50%. That's what we found, right? And that makes sense also, right? So we can see 8 is 50% of 16. Now we can see here that appropriate, what is half of 16? Is 8, right? So we can see that is 100%. So obviously that is 50%, right? That's anytime if you have half, that means it's 50%. Fourth part, that is what? 25%, right? So that's how you can solve each percentage problem. Let's see second problem. Try to fill it up this keyword in this table. Pause this video and check your answer with me. Okay, so first thing I will find out my keyword is. Right before is, what do we have? Part, right? And it's question. So we can see that is my X. We have percentage symbol here. So what is that? 7%, right? So we can see that is 7% here. Right after of, that is total. So we will write down total here. In total, that's always 100%. Once you done like filling in this table, then you can just do cross multiplication. So we can write x times 100 is 100x equal 150 times 7, right? Then we can just divide by 100 from here because we just need to solve for x, right? So we divide by 100. All right. So x is, we need to simplify this. We can divide by 10 because we have last digit is 0. So it's 15 and we have 10 here. Now we can see 15 and 10 we can reduce by 5, but we will leave it like that. So it will be easier to convert in decimal. What is 15 times 7? So 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3. So 105 over 10, which is 10.5. So what we can see here is 10.5 is 7% of 150, right? And that's it. That's appropriate, right? If you will check 10% of this, which is just 15, and we are looking for 7%, so it must be lower than 15. So yeah, check that way. All right. That's the third one. What is 20% of 32? So what is our keyword? Is of in percentage. And here we have question, right? So what is unknown? Right before is, we don't know what it is. So that is X. We have percentage symbol here. So percentage is 20 of, we have 32. And also you see this, see we have percentage. So in this column, we will write down all percentage. Here we write all numbers. So total is always 100%. And then we can do cross multiplication. So we can do x times 100 is 100x equal 32 times 20. And then we can just divide by 100, right? So we have x equal. We can just cancel these zeros because it's n. So you can just divide by 10 on top and bottom. And now we have 32 times 2, which is 64 over 10. 64 divided by 10. If we divide by 10, 100,000, we just move decimal to left-hand side. How many zeros we have? So we will get here by this 6.4. And that's it. It's very simple. Let's see next one here. Again, pause this video and try to do this problem. Check your answer with me, okay? So here is, oh, and here is percentage. So right before is, we have 42. Percentage, we have 25. So 42 is 25% of what number? So we are looking for total. In total, it will not change. It will be always 100%. Then we can just do cross multiplication. So x times 25 is 25x equal 42 times 100. And then we can divide by 25. So now we can see 100 divided by 25 is 4. We can reduce by 25. So x equal 42 times 4 is 168. And that's it. So we can see here 42 is 25% of 168. I'm pretty sure you found answer correct. Let's see next one. So it doesn't matter what you are looking for, part, total, or percentage, right? You just need to like recognize this keyword, fill it up in this table, and cross product. So step 1, what we can do is of in percentage, right? Right before is we have 56, so that is by percentage we have 35, and right after of we have question, so we are looking for total, which is 100%. And next step is just do cross product. So we can say 35 times x, 35x equal 56 times 100. And then we divide by 35. Right, so x equal. We can reduce this 135. We can divide both by 5 because we can see we have last digit here 0, here is 5. So if we have last digit is 0 and 5, always we can divide by 5. So here is 20, 100 divided by 5 is 20, 35 divided by 5 is 7. And if we know what, 7 timetable, we know 7 times 8 is 56. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 56 divided by 7 is 8. And now we can see 8 times 20. And what is 8 times 20? If you know 8 times 2 is 16, and then we have 1 0, so 116. And that makes sense. 56 is 35% of 160. So that's it. So good luck for your percentage problems. If this video helps you, please consider to subscribe, likes, thumbs up, and see you in next video.